Yay, last question. Okay, let's do this one. The table below lists the 2010 populations of some Texas towns. Which list shows the towns in order from least population to greatest population? Least is going to be your smallest number first. Greatest is going to be your biggest number first. So let's make our place value chart. I only have up to my thousands, so I'm just going to make up to my thousands. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Let's plug our numbers in. 8,934. 8,934. 8,903. 8,903. 8,803. 8,397. 8,766. Okay, and I want them in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to start listing my smaller place value first. Well, I look at my largest place value, and that's going to tell me, that's going to help me start putting my numbers in order for however they're asking. In this case, least to greatest. 8,000, 8,000, 8,000, 8,000, 8,000. That does not tell us anything. We have to move to our hundreds place. So now I'm in my hundreds place. I want the smallest number, the least amount. 900, 900, 800, 300, 700. 300 is the smallest out of 900, 900, 800, 300, and 700. So this is going to be the smallest place value, 8,000, or smallest amount, 8,397, and that belongs to Liberty. And I'm going to put an L out to the side, so it helps you remember that that's Liberty. And a 1, because that's going to be listed first. I can still keep finding or putting these in order from least to greatest based off of my hundreds. 900, 900, 800, 700. 700 is going to be the smallest of these, and 700 belongs to Rockport. I'm going to put a little R by there to help me. I can still use my hundreds place value to help me determine, because they are not all the same. 800 is going to be your third, 8,803, which belongs to Hondo. I'm going to put an H and a 3. Now, 8,934, 8,903. Those are the two numbers left. My hundreds place value no longer helps me because these numbers are the same. I need to move to my tens place value. A 3 and a 0. 30 and 0 tens. 0 tens is going to be less. So that's going to be the fourth one listed, and that belongs to Graham, which means 8,934 is going to be the greatest population. That's going to be fifth, and that belongs to Pleasanton. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out these just like you see in your answer choices up here. Liberty is first. Rockport. Hondo. Graham. And Pleasanton. So that's the answer. That's the order that I'm looking for my answer in. Liberty first. That has Pleasanton, Pleasanton. That cannot be your answer. Liberty, Liberty. That works. Rockport, Rockport. That works. Hondo, Hondo. Graham, Pleasanton, Graham. And just to double check, Pleasanton is last. Your correct answer is J.